Hi. Today I want to buy food by myself. I feel a little nervous. This is my first time ordering alone. The menu looks big. There are burgers, fries, and drinks. What should I choose? I think I want a chicken burger.
Hello, welcome. What would you like today?
Hi. I would like one chicken burger, please.
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
I would like a small cola, please.
Okay. That will be $8.
Here you are. Now I am waiting for my food. I feel better. Ordering is not so scary.
Here is your order.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. I will. Hi, I'm Ethan. Today I learned how to order food. If you are nervous, don't worry. You can do it too. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Momo. Great job watching the story. Now, are you ready to try a quiz? Don't worry. It's easy. Let's practice together. Part 1. Multiple choice. Quiz 1. What does Ethan order? B. A chicken burger. Quiz 2. What does the cashier ask? B. Would you like fries with that? Quiz 3. How much is the food? B. $8. Quiz 4. What does Ethan say when he gives money? B. Here you are. Part 2. Fill in the blanks. 填空. Quiz 5. I would like one chicken blah blah blah. Please. Quiz 6. Would you like blah 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 with that? Quiz 7. What would you like to blah blah blah? Quiz 8. Here is your blah blah blah. Part 3. Speaking practice. 口说练习. Quiz 9. How do you say this politely? 我要一杯可乐. Suggested answer. I would like a cola. Please. Quiz 10. Situation question. You want a burger and fries. What do you say? Suggested answer. I would like a burger and fries. Please. Hi, I am Momo. Did you like this video? Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Let's study English together. See you next time.